Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs. Happy New Year po sa inyo. Welcome 2026 na po. Share ko po itong balita tungkol ito kay Education Secretary Sani Angara. Yung kanyang 5-point agenda ay nag-gain daw ngayong taon. The Department of Education said yesterday the DepEd cited the promotion of over 16,000 public school teachers, as well as about 3 million students benefiting from the Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning Program. Tingnan pa natin yung good news dito. Ito, tungkol naman sa promotion. Meron daw about 41,183 teachers are undergoing the promotion process. Ito po ay tungkol sa expanded career progression. Wow, marami yung magiging teacher 6 dito. Ito pa, their applications have been submitted to the Department of Budget and Management for the next batch. Congratulations po sa second batch, Yung unang batch kasi ay more than 16,000 teachers. Ito pa, sinabi ni Secretary Angara na ensured na yung teachers receive their allowances and benefits, including the Kabalikat sa Pagtuturo Act teaching allowance worth 10,000 pesos. Yung medical allowance amounting 7,000 pesos and year-end bonuses such as the PEI or Performance Enhancement Incentive na 5,000 pesos. Ito yung PEI na maraming nagsasabi na hindi daw ito darating dahil suspended. Nako, nagkamali sila doon. At itong SRI na Service Recognition Incentive na 20,000 pesos. Pero meron pa tayo ditong sisingilin sa gobyerno, Hindi pa kompleto yung SRI natin. Mabuti naman at hindi naubos sa nagdaang holiday season. Meron pa tayong pang January to 15, By the way, ito nga pala yung sinasabi ni Secretary Angara na 5-point agenda na yung Department of Education ensures 1. Enabling learning environment, 2. The welfare of teachers, 3. The well-being of learners, 4. Efficient learning delivery in all its forms, and 5. A future-ready workforce. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. Happy New Year po. Paki-subscribe naman kung ngayon lang kayo napadaan dito. Bye-bye!